urged Zambians to maintain the good record of peace and respect of human rights. EU Election Observation Mission Deputy Chief Thomas Boserup says Zambians must uphold peace during this year's elections. Mr. Boserup said this when he sent off election observers deployed to the 10 provinces of Zambia.
A group of election observers from the European Union being offloaded to 10 provinces of Zambia. This is to allow the European Union to get a feel of what is happening as the country builds towards 11th August 2016. The team of observers is drawn from 23 different European Union member states in Norway. It has taken 3 days of preparations before the team can finally be deployed in the 10 provinces of Zambia. Deputy Chief Observer Thomas Boserup calls on Zambians to uphold peace and respect for human rights as it prepares for its general elections.
Zambia is a peace-loving people, and I'm sure that all voters, they want these elections to be peaceful. I hope there's also will on all sides that these elections should be peaceful. We expect all stakeholders to refrain from violence and let the voters cast their vote in peace, and also for all parties to be able to campaign. And the European Union is built on the principles of human rights and democracy, and that is also why we take an interest in the development of human rights and democracy throughout the world. And Zambia has a very good record in this regard, and we are here to help consolidate this with our presence to observe that the process.
The European Union mission operates in accordance with the Declaration of Principles for International Election Observers, as well as a country's electoral laws. A report will be compiled at the end of the electoral process and will only be released 2 months later. Mwapek Mwenda, Movie TV News, Lusaka.